Hello, my dear students. Welcome to all online classes. For a few days, I am your maths teacher. My name is Shraddha Tiwari. How are you all? I hope you use your time properly. Okay. So, in this video, we will discuss relations and functions. That is chapter 1 of class 12 syllabus. Before going to the relation and function, we have to revise some of the concept which we have discussed in class 11th. So, let's us revise that. Our revision topic is set, subset, ordered pair, Cartesian product, relation, domain and range. First one is set. A set is a well-defined collection of objects. Set have provided their importance in relations and function. That is why we discuss first of all set. Set, well-defined object collection is called set. Well-defined collection, that means collection should not change from person to person. For example, if I ask you top 5 actor of Bollywood, it will be different from everyone. The answer will be different for everyone, so it is not set. But I ask you natural number, so everyone give same answer, that n is equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. That means well-defined collection means collection should not change from person to person is called set. So proper definition is a set is a well-defined collection of objects. For example, if I say the set of natural number less than 6, so we can write like that, capital A is equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. That means set are usually denoted by capital letters A, B, C, X, Y, Z, etc. The element of a set are represented by a small letter. If we want to represent the set of vowels letter, so we will represent like small a, small I, small u, small o, small e. Here, 1 is an element of set A. So, we say that 1 belongs to A. The Greek symbol epsilon. That means 1 belongs to A. Next, we can represent set in two ways. That is by using roster form and set builder form. Here, roster form means in this case specify all the elements of the set, and set builder form, instead of writing all the elements of the set, we write some rules or method. Here, not specify all the element, we are writing the rule in short form. That is the set builder form. Here, in roster form, all the element of the set listed here, and they are being separate by commas and are enclosed within brackets. For example, A is equal 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Set of all natural number we can represent n is equal 1, 2, 3, 4 dot dot dot. That means so on. In set builder form, it represented as A is equal x such that x is an odd natural number less than 10. You see, here all number is less than 10 and all are natural number. Next, we have subset. Subset means this is the related means two sets. We need here two sets. Like we take here A is equal 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 and B is equal to 6, 7, 9. So we needed to two set. Every element of B is also an element of A. Here you see 5 is here, 6, 7, 8, 9. But in set of B, 6 is here and here, 7 here and here, 9 here and here. So we can say B is a subset of set A, and symbolically we represent B subset of A. Here all element of B set along the set A, so we can say B is subset of A. But we can't say A is subset of B because 5 and 8 is not in the member of set B. That means they are not an element of set B. So we can say only B subset of A, but we can't say A subset of B because two elements are not there in B, so A is not a subset of B. Next, ordered pair. Suppose A and B are two sets. A and B are two sets. If A belongs to A and B belongs to B, then AB is called an ordered pair. A is called the first element or first ordinate and B is called the second member or second element of the ordered pair. Two ordered pair A, B and C, D are called equal if and only if A is equal B means B is equal A and C is equal D, that means D is equal C. So we will say that ordered pair are equal. AB is equal CD. A is equal C, B is equal D. The sign this weak means if and only if. We write like that also. If and only if. We separate, we write like that A and B. The pair of entries A and B which separate by commas and enclosed with the bracket. Such type of a pair is called an ordered pair. In simple language, if we take one pair of entries A and B and which separate by a comma enclosed within the bracket, such type of a pair is called an ordered pair. Where A is the first element or first ordinate and B is the second ordinate, and this pair we say ordered pair. If we change the order of A and B, we get a different ordered pair. In this case, B is the first element and A is the second element. And if we represent the Cartesian plane A and B, if we take two values, ordered pair 4 minus 3, here 4 is first element, minus 3 is second element. If we change the value A and B, we get different pair minus 3 and 4, and it is not the same, because if Cartesian plane we represent and plotted those point, this point 4 minus 3, you see 4 minus 3, because Cartesian plane always we show x, y, and here x, y. So 4 and 3 is fourth coordinate and minus 3 and 4 is second coordinate. It is a first coordinate, it's second, third and fourth. So you see both ordered pair in different coordinates. So conclusion is, the order in which the entries are written in an ordered pair is specific. Hence, a pair entries grouped in a particular order which are separated by a comma and enclosed within brackets. Next, Cartesian product. Cartesian product, the set of all ordered pair AB. The set of all ordered pair AB such that A belongs to capital A and B belongs to capital B is called the Cartesian product of the set A and B. It is denoted by A cross B. Let A is equal 1, 2, 3 and B is equal 6, 7. The ordered pair of all the element of B for belongs to A is A 1, 6, 1, 7, 2, 6, 2, 7, 3, 6, 3, 7, and ordered pair of all the element of B for belongs to A 6, 1, 7, 2, 6, 2, 7, 3, 6, 3, 7. That means the 6 element of A cross B are given by, we return in symbolical form all Cartesian product with separate the ordered pair 1, 6, 1, 7, 2, 6, 2, 7, 3, 6, 3, 7. So here the number of element of a set A into number of element of set B, set that is equal to the number of ordered pair in the Cartesian product. This is the way of finding the Cartesian product. Next, relation. Relation, in simple way, we can say subset of Cartesian product. First we find Cartesian product, and if we define one relation R is equal AB such that A odd into B even. Here A belongs to capital A and B belongs to capital B. So we can see in Cartesian product, first ordered pair 1 is odd number and 6 is even. So this ordered pair satisfy our relation because we define A is odd number and B is even. So here 1 is odd and 6 is even, and 1 is belongs to capital A and 6 is belongs to capital B. Second one is 1, 7. We know 1 and 7 both are odd number. So this ordered pair not satisfy our relation. What we can return here? 2 and 6 both are even number. 2 and 7 both are, 1 is 2, 2 is odd number, even number, and 7 is odd number. But we want A is odd number. That means here we want odd number and here we want even number. This pair also not satisfy our relation. So next one is 3 and 6. 3 and 6 are satisfy our relation because 3 is odd number and 3 belongs to A, and 6 is even number and 6 belongs to B. Next one is 3 and 7. Both are odd number. So according to this relation, we find only two ordered pair. This subset of Cartesian product. This is the way of finding the relation also. Okay, thank you for watching.